Hello friends, welcome back to Design and Decorate. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a clear CD and reuse it. Before getting into the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. So let's get started. To make this, you will need an old CD, sellotape, brush and some acrylic paints. To make the clear CD, stick the sellotape on the CD and pull it. Repeat this till you get everything removed from the CD. Note, use a CD, not a DVD, to get this clear output. Then start painting it. I used acrylic color to paint them. I'm starting it with a simple flower design. And also, I painted some leaves on the other CD. Hope you like this video. Do try your own and share it with me. Do subscribe my channel for more videos and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video. Until then, bye bye.